In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to animate text in Adobe After Effects using built-in presets. We will apply the drop-in and the slide out using the animate in and animate out. So this preset will make it easier for you to add in the motion, text in motions video. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, let's create a new con. I just leave it as presets at this 1080p and using the 30 seconds time frame. Alright, so once you've done that, next we're going to add the layers on these using type tool, and click on inside the compositions panel here. Just type maybe towards text out. So what I do is I'm going to align it to the center using alignment tool. So once you've done that, you can actually go to next step, which we're going to use a preset for these effects. Before we do this, if you have the Adobe Bridge installed, you can go to animation and browse presets. So these are the two animations preset we want to use, which is in the text folder. And using animate in, you can see here there are a lot of different effects which can use, right? If you want to preview the animation, you can just hit on the panel here and preview it. All right. For animate out, you can go to the text folder and click on animate out folder. The same thing, you can see there are a lot of presets which you can use as well. Right. So if you want to apply this preset into your animation, you can just select the text and go to the presets here and then apply this preset accordingly. Right, let's say I go to animate in, I search for the drop in by character. Okay, double click on this, then you will apply this effect onto it. Okay, so I think some of you might not have Adobe Bridge installed. It's okay, we can just use the preset, effect preset on these After Effects properties itself. Alright, so I just undo this animation. We can go to Windows, make sure that everyone is using the same workspace. Right, so you can use all panels or animation, but for this tutorial purpose, everyone, I want you to set to this text workspace. All right. So once you have a text workspace, you should be able to see that there's a lot of text properties which you can set. Example, you can select the text and change the tracking if you want to. Let me check. You see, you can actually track out if you want. But for now, let's go to the effect and presets panel, and if you want to use a drop in by character, you can just type character here, which is under the syntax of character or alphabets. Once you type that, you can scroll down and click on the character animation under the animate in and drag and drop into the text here. So once you've done that, if you play using the CTI, you can see the drop down effect. Alright, so to change, next you want to change the timing for this drop in effect. It seems like a bit too slow for this speed. You want to accelerate it. So what you do is go back to your timeline, hit your text layers, you can expand it to adjust the time, the keyframe here, or you can use the shortcuts, the U on your keyboards. Hit once, you should be able to see the 2 keyframes here. Okay, to speed up the animation, you can bring the keyframe closer. Right, then if you play, you can see that actually is speed up the whole animations. So once you've done that, I want you to bring the timeline slightly forward to 2 seconds. You can deselect the text and select again before you apply animation out. Do not skip this step, otherwise the animations will override each other. Okay, let's start. Deselect and select the text again. Now you want to slide up by words instead of character. Let's type the words, the W-O-R-D, in this effect and presets search panel. So once you've done that, go to animate out, click on this slide out by character, drag it to the text holder here. So once you've done that, immediately you will see another 2 keyframe existed in this timeline. Right? Same thing, if you want to make the animations a bit more snappy or speed up, you can go to your layer, press the U on the keyboard once, and then adjust the timing of these between 2 keyframes. So once you've done that, here you go. You have complete animation for these text presets. So next, let's say if you want to do some customizations for your text animations, you can press W. Text, I want you to drop in from outside of this frame. I can go to Animator 1 and go to the positions in Animator 1, not the positions in Transform, but the positions in Animator 1. I can change the properties of the Y axis. Right, let me just adjust it. So now if you play it again, you should see that the text actually fall in or drop in from outside of the frame. Right, similar to this slide up by words, you can change the positions of the x-axis, adjust it the position you want it to disappear. Alright, so now if we hit play again, you can see that the text drop in from outside and slide up to outside as well. So and that's it. You have just created a clean text animation using the built-in drop-in and slide out effects in Adobe After Effects.